Welcome to another Learn Spanish Through Conversation video where I break down parts of a conversation to teach you some Spanish. Today we'll be reviewing a video about joining the gym. I leave the link to this video in the description in case you want to watch it without interruptions. And let's take a look.
Hola, quiero ir gimnasio.
¿Quieres venir al gimnasio? Yes, so ir to go, venir to come. We use venir from the place we want to come to, so we have to be at that place already. And it's a bit more strict than in English. Like in English, you can say, wait for me, I'm coming to where you are. In Spanish, you cannot say that. So we don't say, espera, ahora vengo. No, we say, espera, ahora voy. Because if I say, ahora vengo, it sounds like I'm coming here to where I'm already at. I don't know if it makes sense, but if you are going somewhere other than the place you are at right now, then we use ir. And if you're coming back to the same place you are at, then venir. All right? Let's keep watching.
Sí, quiero sign up.
¿Quieres apuntarte?
Sí, quiero apuntarme.
Okay, apuntarse is a reflexive verb meaning sign up, join, become a member. Another way to say it would be inscribirse. It's a reflexive verb because you do it to yourself. That's why they say, ¿quieres apuntarte? Reflexive pronoun te. And then she says, sí, quiero apuntarme. Me, reflexive pronoun too. Remember, when we have two verbs together, quieres, apuntar, we can move the pronoun a bit and we could say, ¿te quieres apuntar? ¿Quieres apuntarte? Same thing. Because we have two verbs, and one of them is an infinitive. And the answer could be also, sí, me quiero apuntar, or sí, quiero apuntarme. Same thing. All right? Let's see more. ¿Qué quieres hacer?
No sé, soy influencer TikTok.
Entonces, glúteos, ¿no? We say no at the end as a question, meaning right when we want somebody to confirm what we just said. It also works as don't you, aren't you? ¿Te gusta el café? No? You like coffee, right? You like coffee, don't you? Same. We use no. Another way to say that is verdad, meaning true.
Glúteos, ¿qué es?
Culo. Okay. Culo. Culo means butt. It's not a bad word. It's nothing bad. It's a little bit vulgar, like we have better words for that. But nobody uses them. Like kids say culo, so it's not a bad word. More polite or clean ways to say would be trasero, nalgas. Trasero is like bottom. Nalgas is actually the cheeks, but in some countries they use it as the butt.
Sí, quiero culo grande.
Ya, entonces máquinas y pesas. Ya has several meanings. One of them is like, I know. When somebody says, está lloviendo, it's raining. Ya, I know. ¿Alguna clase?
¿Qué clase hay?
¿Qué clases hay? Hay, the verb haber, we use it to express existence without making it personal. So, ¿qué clases hay? What classes are there? Yeah? It's not you have, he has, we have. It's just are there, exist. And we only have one form, I, as there is, there are. Plural and singular, same, I. So we don't have I's. Tenemos yoga, pilates, zumba. All right, and now he makes it personal. Tenemos, we have. Yeah? We, as the gym, we have pilates, yoga. So you can do both sometimes. So he could say, hay pilates, hay yoga, o tenemos, fine.
Vale, yoga me gusta.
Yoga me gusta. Remember that gustar in Spanish is a special verb. It's what we call a backwards verb. So we don't say yo gusta, we don't use subject pronouns because we are not the subject. We use object pronouns. Me gusta, I like it. You might have heard a mí me gusta, which is the same. It's just an extra preposition pronoun. A mí me gusta. Same meaning, just more emphasis on me. All right, let's see what else.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
¿Cuánto cuesta is just the way we ask how much is it. ¿Cuánto cuesta? ¿Cuánto vale? ¿Cuál es el precio? How much? La tarifa mensual es de 35 euros. La tarifa mensual. Tarifa is a fee, is the price. Mensual means monthly, mensual. You could say semanal, weekly, anual, yearly, trimestral, every 3 months. Y la matrícula, 50.
¿Matrícula?
Sí, sign up fee. Yeah. Matrícula is a sign up fee that we have in Spain. I don't know in other countries. But when you want to join like a gym, a class, a school even, they make you pay a matrícula, sign up fee. This is a one-time payment, usually. And if you leave, if you quit, then you have to pay it again. So it's just a way to secure your spot and also to force you in a way to keep coming. All right, let's see. Solo una vez.
¿Y hora? ¿Abierto? ¿Cerrado?
El horario. Horario is the time. It can be the schedule, it could be the opening hours, it's just the time from when to when you do something. For example, mi horario de trabajo es de 9 a 6. My working time, my working schedule is 9 to 6. Horario. De 6 a 11 todos los días.
Vale, quiero apuntarme.
Quiero apuntarme, again, reflexive. Could say, me quiero apuntar, same thing. Perfecto, necesito tu DNI o TIE. Yeah, DNI is just the ID card for nationals, for Spanish people. DNI, Documento Nacional de Identidad, Identity National Document. For foreigners, we have what we call TIE, Tarjeta de Identidad de Extranjero, Foreigner Identity Card. Same thing, it's just an ID card. La matrícula y el primer mes. El primer mes. Primer means first. Normally we say primero, but we can never say primero followed by a noun. We lose the O. Primer mes. The same happens with uno. You cannot say uno coche. You have to say un coche. Or bueno perro. We have to say buen perro. Some words in Spanish lose the last O when we have a noun after. All right, let's keep watching.
¿Cuánto tiempo para culo grande?
¿Cuánto tiempo? How much time? We use this meaning how long. ¿Cuánto tiempo? How long? When we haven't seen a friend for a long time, we say that. Hola, ¿cuánto tiempo? Long time no see. It's been so long. ¿Cuánto tiempo? Si vienes cada día, en 6 meses, culo muy grande. Vale. Si vienes. Si is the conjunction if, yeah, for the conditional. If. It doesn't mean yes. Yes has an accent. Si. And cada día, each day, every day. You can also say todos los días. All of the days, every day. Todos los días, cada día, every day. And that's everything I wanted to comment about this video. I hope I answered some of your questions. If you have any more questions, let me know. And I will see you in the next one. Hasta luego.